Yeah, right now, Glyza's having CTG. So we'll go near to Mami Glyza. She's having CTG. Yeah, so they're measuring the fetal heartbeat right now. It's like ultrasound, like a continuous reading. CTG, I think, cardiotocography. So far, it's 126, if you can see here. Yeah. So it's normal. So baby's heartbeat is normal. Good job, baby Hopi. Mommy, are you okay? Okay? So the normal, I think, it's 110 to 160. So now it's okay. 130. Yeah. So I think that's average. Mommy's okay. Baby's here. Good job, baby Hopi. Love you. Love you, mommy. You feel well, baby? I think your hemoglobin is low. It's low. Now it's increasing. Look. Look at the heartbeat of baby. Are you okay? You're okay? Okay, it's increasing. Look. It's 150 now. Normal is 110 to 160. Now it's going down. So far, you're okay. Okay, so here's our situation here. Mommy's there. The food, and daddy's sleeping there. And they're both here. So tomorrow we might take iron via intravenous. So they will put here. Yeah, tomorrow. Good job, baby. Love you. Love you, mommy. Love you, Hopi.